Meet the new Unimatic Modello Quattro U4BLB, a stealthy all-black tool watch from Milan's minimalist powerhouse, Unimatic. Known for bold, utilitarian designs and limited production runs, Unimatic has taken its rugged DNA and distilled it into this striking, tactical masterpiece. The Modello Quattro U4BLB features a 40mm black DLC-coated stainless steel case built for action yet refined in its simplicity. It's 13.7mm thick with a fixed monoblock bezel, drilled lugs, and an oversized 8mm screw-down crown protected by guards, all designed for functionality and comfort. Up front, a flat 2.8mm sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating keeps the view crystal clear, while the case ensures 300 meters of water resistance, rugged enough for any environment. The matte black sandwich dial reveals Superluminova BGW9 beneath cutout hour markers. Every detail glows with purpose, from the luminous minute track to the symmetrical date window at 6 o'clock. Even the matte black hands and lollipop seconds enhance its stealthy aesthetic. At its core beats the reliable, automatic Seiko NH35A caliber, offering a 41-hour power reserve, hacking seconds, and manual winding capability. It's a proven movement, robust, accurate, and made for everyday wear. The watch comes fitted on a heavy-duty black nylon NATO strap, complete with black DLC hardware for a cohesive tactical look. Each Modello Quattro U4BLB is individually numbered and limited to just 99 pieces. Priced at €625, it's available exclusively from unimaticwatches.com starting October 3rd, 2025 at 5 p.m. CET. Sleek, functional, and unmistakably Unimatic, the U4BLB is where Italian design meets military precision.